are trying to bounce droplets of silicone on these waves. And it turns out that, so if I was able to do this at a higher frequency, we could get droplets like walking around.
You just need a better speaker?
No, I need a better...
Amp?
Yeah, I need to amplify this output. But the idea is, normally you wouldn't see, so at the higher frequencies you wouldn't see the surface waves, and so the entire wave surface is just going up and down. And you'd like pick up these droplets and they'd just bounce for a while, and then you'd start to see them walk around. And the droplets themselves are bouncing and hitting the surface, which is creating this wave. And that wave, at the right frequency, if the droplet bounces up after it's like already started creating this wave, and on the way down, the wave becomes a peak right when the droplet's gonna come back down and hit the peak. If it's only slightly off, then it gets like some momentum in some direction. Right? So now the peak is kind of pushing the droplet in a direction. And so,
back too.
And so then it bounces back, and then it starts moving. And the wave and the droplet's the particle, the wave is the wave. It models quantum effects. Like, the math actually works out to be pretty much identical.
Really?
Yeah, so it's a quantum hydrodynamic analog, is what it's called.
Yeah, it looked cool. I mean, there were some wave-like things about it, like it could go through double slits and things, but it was still, like the way both particle and wave existed at the same time was not quite the same as quantum, because you could only measure it in you could only measure it in like one way or the other. Like for example, it wouldn't interfere with itself. Like it could still only go through one slit of a double slit.
Oh, I guess I haven't looked into it.
Yeah.
Into that, yeah. No.
But it's still like super cool. So all you need is to like drive it louder.
Yeah. So here it's bouncing.
Wow.
Yeah, maybe you're right about that.
I mean, it is still cool, but because it seems like, does it converge to like
Statistically?
Well, so it will find some resonant frequency, right? Like in bouncing up and down with the water.
Yeah.
And it seems like it has like some memory of where it's been, like because its current position like feeds back on the waves,
yeah.
And also with the edge of the surface.
Yeah.
And then like feeds back on itself.
Yes.
So that part definitely seems cool.
Yeah.
What is the solution again? What's silicon?
Silicone oil.
Silicone oil?
Yeah.
Just pure silicone oil?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can get them with different like viscosities and stuff. If you want to make your own, then just like go talk to Professor Bush and he'll give you a bottle of it. But I have an audio amplifier that I could try and just plug in really quick.